Hey friends, it's Vanessa. I'm going to be kind of weird and lispy. I got my Invisalign on just now. It took a lot longer than expected because they couldn't get the little buttons that they glue onto your teeth. They couldn't get mine to stick, which is really weird because acrylic nails don't stick to me either. It's a similar process, the way they etch your teeth and then prime them and glue these little knobs on. Finally, we got it done. It was supposed to be a 45-minute appointment. It was 2 hours. But here they are, they're on, and I have that gap because I had that tooth pulled. Actually, it feels better with it on, but they're really tight, and I don't think they look horrible. I think once I get used to them being in my mouth, I won't look as awkward. But they make my top lip look a little bit fuller, so that's exciting. All right, so here we go, trying them out. He said I'll probably start feeling sore in a couple of hours. I keep this tray in for 7 days, and I switch trays every 7 days. So I have to wear them for 22 hours a day, you guys. I won't be snacking. I'm gonna lose weight. I should just make a whole series of my weight loss with Invisalign diet. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna go to Costco. I don't know if I'm gonna smile at people because I feel really weird. But I wanted to keep you posted on how it's going with Invisalign. All right, I'll talk to you later. Have a beautiful day.